More slime. More slime. Yes. Just let it satisfy you, okay? You can't walk into this. Oh, wait, you kind of can. Did you see that? You kind of can walk into it, but that'll push you out, so you gotta be careful. Okay, now we're on the butter jumps. Butter jump. Oh, I like that. Like that one? That sounds nice. Okay, now we got banana jumps. Ooh, yes. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at the banana. Just moving around. I gotta even say that almost 20,000 people are playing this. Okay, now we're jumping on little cats. Oh, if you're not satisfied, I don't know what will satisfy you. But we're doing this without a doubt. Come on. Why was I making that face? Just don't judge me. Like, this is just so nice, dude. Oh, we got spinny donuts. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, wait, that's kind of hard. Oh, that's a nice sound, though. I like that sound. Wow. Look at these. Look at these paws, too. I'm a big fan. Okay, you're making me not satisfied. I'm not going to lie. Wait, what's in his hand? Can I buy things? Rainbow squishy. A squishy in every color at once. Oh, I want that. They won't let me buy it. Wait, why? Why won't it let me buy it? What the heck? Okay, I'm going to hide players because he's making me unsatisfied. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a nice sound. Yes, Dr. Pepper. What the heck? Is this a brand deal? Isn't that, though? That's a nice sound. Oh, that is actually so nice. Dude. Oh, I'm satisfied. I am satisfied. World 2. What the heck is this? World 2. No way. Okay, we're in World 2 now. Can I buy stuff now? I can. Wait, what? Why can I buy stuff now? I'm getting the Rainbow Squishy for 29 Robux. Come on. Rainbow Squishy. Oh, I can click it myself. We'll buy that. Whatever. Okay, let's continue. That's nice. I like that a lot. Okay, we are actually doing so good. Wait, what? Oh, that hurts me? Oh my god, I thought it was just slime, dude. Still haven't died, guys. We're doing good. Oh, bonk my head a little bit. Oh, that's nice. Look at these. Everyone's just walking on these because it's so satisfying. And we got the... Oh, it's the cracked slime. I'm in love with this game. Let's do a set 3. This set sucks. Set 2. This is nice, dude. Is it just me? You guys also agree that's nice? What is that sound? That's new. I kind of like that. And then we got cheese. Gotta be careful, though. Oh, look at that. Are they trying to call me fat because I'm, like, bringing that down so much? I think so. Whoa, that's nice. Oh. Okay, right or left? Gotta be one of them. Come on. It is left, and then right. Oh, that is so nice, dude. I hope y'all are satisfied, bro. This is beautiful. Ooh, which one's the best? I don't know which one's the best, but that is so nice. Wow, dude, this game is amazing. Wow, I needed this. I need this. We would like if you needed this as well. I'm going to climb with a banana. Now we're... So that's me deep underground, sending a $10,000 RC submarine into a contaminated pool. What is that? 50 years ago, 3 divers dove 350 feet down this pool and claimed they found an abandoned gold mine. Problem is, they brought back no pool. So 2 weeks ago, I sent my own cheap RC submarine down into the pool, hoping to document proof of this mysterious gold mine. But I failed miserably. Because this is our MUKBANG. The tether got tangled, the sub lost power, and was barely able to recover it. But when I got it back, I saw something in the footage. A rope
sitting there, disappearing down into the darkness. And if that rope leads to where I think it does, it might be the first real clue we have to what those divers actually found. Now, if I wanted to go back to the cave and follow this rope, I would need a really good RC submarine and a lot of practice driving. Lucky for you guys, in the last video, I made you a promise that if it hit 10,000 likes, I would buy the best RC submarine I could get my hands on. You guys hit it. In 5 days, 10,000 likes. Love that. Guess I'm going back to the gym. So this time I called out and I did a $10,000 RC submarine with the robotic arm. Because if I found something down there, I didn't want to just see it. I wanted to bring back truth. But before I really send it back to the cave, I was still going to have to learn how to drive it. This would turn out to be way harder than I expected. The last 24 hours have been absolutely horrible. The submarine got delivered this morning. This right here is the real deal. Think it'll get the job done? I think so. I think you could go and save it. It took me about 3 hours to just figure out how to get the thing to turn on. Oh, that's a good sound. Yeah. We were able to get the submarine to turn on. Oh, that's sick. This thing's insane. I'm talking better cameras, more thrusters, better lights. It's about 1 million times better than the last submarine. The problem is, I have no idea how to drive it. I haven't done any testing. To make matters worse, because the submarine cost more than my car, I was only able to rent it for 3 days. Luckily though, I have a 3-step plan. Day 1, I gotta just learn how to drive it. I gotta figure out how to go up and down, left and right. I need a master driving the submarine. Day 2, now that I've learned how to use the robotic arm submarine camera. I'm gonna get so good at using this thing, pick up a parental rice. For day 3, taking the submarine back to the cave, we're gonna find that gold mine. I'm gonna have a quick snack. Only 2 days until I went back to the cave, I headed out to a lake, practice driving with the upgraded submarine. Alright, we're good to go. Oh, it's funny. It was time to see what this submarine could actually do. Like maybe A's altitude, like it's only up and down. Access 4 meters, and you'll access all 60 meter feet of the water. With the RC submarine in the water, I wanted to try and make it to the middle of the lake. And I quickly realized that this was going to be way harder than I thought. The visibility of the lake was actually horrible. After just 5 minutes of driving the sub, it just shut down. We have like an RC submarine. Well, it was pretty stressful. This first test run had been an absolute failure. The submarine was already not working and I had no idea why. That was until I got home and realized that there was fishing lines stuck in the thruster. Turns out the lake we went to was one of the biggest fishing lakes in Arizona. There was a ton of fishing line left behind in the water. Now luckily I was able to get all the fishing line out from the thrusters, but at that point I knew I was going to need a better place to practice. So I went to my friend's pool. Now for the next 2 days, this pool is going to be the ultimate training grounds for me and the submarine. And what you're about to watch is 10 hours of training condensed down into a 60-second montage. Night 1 was all about practicing my movements. I went through my buddy's legs, I practiced reversing, and I even got good at jumping out of the pool. By the end of night 1, I was feeling really good, but I needed to be perfect. Because when I took the submarine down into the cave, there would be no room for air. So I kept on practicing. The goal for day 2 was to learn how to use the robotic arm. I only had 24 hours to learn how to use it. Luckily, attaching the robotic arm to the submarine is pretty easy, so I got it set up and then threw the submarine into the water and started practicing. Okay, if there actually is some sort of gold or treasure or just anything cool that I want to pick up down in the cave, I'm going to need to get good using this. This clamp thing is hard to use. Last night, I actually decided to set up the robotic arm and I tried to pick up a red water bottle, which was a pretty big thing to pick up and I could not get it. I tried for like 20 minutes and I just could not get it to save my life. It was actually like the most frustrating thing ever. So anyways, here's the plan. Using 2 Lego guys, a Lego boat, and 3 chests of Lego treasure, I loaded it up and sent them into the pool. The chests were pretty small, so I figured if I could pick one up with the arm and bring it back, I'd be ready. But first, I had to sink the boat. No. But right when everything seemed to be going all right, that chest I dropped got sucked into the moon. This was bad. I don't even know how to say this. There was a Lego chest inside of the left turbine. Oh god, yeah, that isn't no good. There's 3 more screws. I think if I can get it out, I might be able to get the chest out. Alright, here we go. 1 screw down. Here we go. Number 2. Okay. We got it off. Got it out. Lesson learned. Don't play with Legos next to your submarine. Luckily, I was able to fix up the submarine. It's now time for the final mission.
Hi, Sister Remel. Thank you.
We are about 25 minutes out from Peppersauce Cave. Our mission today is 3 parts. Phase 1, find the cave entrance and make it down to the water. Phase 2, once we're at the water, break the boat and prepare the RC submarine. Phase 3, the most important part of the mission. Send the RC submarine down into the pool, follow the rope, and hopefully be lucky. Find an abandoned gold mine. So much to go wrong, it's not even funny. But I think what I'm most scared of is I lose the submarine down to the pool, and I'm out $10,000.
How confident do you feel like not being a submarine?
Oh yeah.
If you lose that thing, it's unbeatable.
Thought I'd be able to get the job done with the last submarine. It was dead wrong. But this time, like, it's more debate. Like, I'm confident in my skills. We're going in with the best possible equipment. I can't get it done with my submarine. No one can. Probably the hardest part of this video is going to be transporting the $10,000 industrial grade submarine to the deepest part of this cave. That's what you guys are here for. I realized pretty quick the black box the submarine came in was too big to fit through the cave. So we were going to have to take the submarine out, transfer it to smaller bags, and could only bring the essentials. We basically just need the sub, the batteries, the controller, and the tech. I think we can fit that onto a backpack, and we just got to be really careful with it. Now, 50 years ago, a kid had actually gone missing in this area, and to this day, has never been found. So the last thing I wanted was to run into someone where to go. We got everything packed up. But right as I finished packing up the gear, the sauce is blowing right now. There's a light. Park. Someone's coming. There's some vehicle that's coming down the road. It's a buggy or something. It's something hot. Oh, I do not think we're going to go. Dude, look at that. You guys going to the cave? It's right there, right? Yeah, so I thought it was going down the road, but it's not. This guy didn't stay for long. If you wish us good luck, guys, be staying with us. Feeling real now. I'm getting a little bit nervous. This cave's probably kept me up for like the last 3 months. I really want to find out what's down there. Hopefully tonight I'll get my answer. We got the boat, industrial grade submarine in the backpack, my little cheeky submarine just in case. And then yeah, we got a dream. What's up, boys? Let's ride.
There we go.
Down into the canyon. Oh man. Yeah, this is the real thing. Check this out. Right now we're here. We're just holding on this road, parked there. There's 2 different entrances. That entrance is down. You can't, no one's getting through there. This is the one we want. But it's kind of harder to get to. We continue down the canyon. We gotta keep it hard. That's an outline right there. And after a bit of walking, a little bit more fun, we made it to the cave. Is that it? Oh, yeah, yeah. What do you think, man?
Play ko
This is
yun
gnarly,
kasi
bro. This is
ba't 1 hour mo na pa. Kumain ka na. Opo, kumain ako. Magaling din ako from
We're going this way
from
this time.
labas.
Down around here.
Kaso hindi matagal.
This is the map of the cave.
Ano naman ako eh. Hindi ako matagal kasi
Cave
ano
tour.
naman.
Our mission is simple. Make it big lake, gates to hell. That's where we're trying to go. What's separating us is about a mile of hard caving. Keep our eyes peeled. Be efficient. Who did you bring us to?
The ball has entered the cage.
Now to make it down to the pool, there was 3 more squeezes you had to go through.
Kaya po tayo.
This was number 1.
God, I'd never come back to this cage. Here I am.
I feel like at this point, me and Eden have done this so many times for Love Naturals.
Oh my God, what the hell is this?
Eventually, we all made our way through the first tight squeeze.
This is insane.
Bad news is, this was also the easiest of the 3 obstacles, and our adventure was just getting started. For the next 30 minutes, me and the group made our way deeper inside the cave. But the further we went, the worse the air quality became.
66.
That was really brutal.
You can tell the dusting was.
After an hour of caving, we finally arrived at the slab.
Down there? You make way too serious, bro. You're not gonna believe your ass.
We're not going down there. That's a crock of hell, dude. Are you kidding me?
Oh my God.
Send ko na sa'yo. Send ko nga sa'yo. Tapos,
This was a nightmare. It's a crazy 360 footage right now.
saan ba yung sisiskulin? In-edit ko.
Many cavers believe the slab is the hardest part of this cave. And if you're brave enough to make it all the way through, the other side is worth it.
Gawa ako picture kay siskulin.
Hanap ka na, Edoy.
Na, may batuta sa badya. Samahan mo ko puntahan natin ang nanay mo. Sige, sige. Sige, basta iano mo tayo. Basta isa sa picture mo. Tapos ang picture ni Mami. Tapos isama ko na kayo.
The deeper you go, the more unsettling.
Send mo nga sa picture mo. Punta ka kay picture ni Mami. Tapos samahan ko yun.
Nobody knows the story of who brought this ladder into the cave or where it came from.
That's a crazy big ladder, bro.
Kasi
One
wala
thing's
akong
for sure, we wanted to make it down to the pool.
Hindi ako
We were all
I
gonna
can't live without you. Matutulog ang maga. Tulog ka. Sayang ng pera mo. Ang laki ng pera mo dito, oy. Gusto mo malaman?
Kaya ako. Nandiyan ang picture ni Mami, tapos sinasama ko na ang picture ni Mami muna, tapos ikaw. Ginawa
Phase
ko
1's
yun.
been complete. We made it to the
Teo,
water.
good
I
evening.
think we should also
Kamusta,
try and make
Teo?
it down to that little ledge right there.
Sis
Take the boat
Sinalin.
and then get in there. Because the air quality in here is pretty bad. We don't want to be out too long.
Kamusta naman kayo? Kamusta naman sa inyo
Oh,
dyan?
this is good. Imagine you got down here and I was like, start
Ayun,
blowing.
ini-edit ko.
What?
Edit ko na kayo lahat.
I got it.
Diba? Good
Contact has been
evening.
made.
Good evening po. Ayan.
This is Coyote Peterson. We're about to enter the speed zone of the Coli Pool. Eagle has
Hindi ko alam, ano.
With just 2 people in the boat, we're already taking on some water. Capsizing is definitely a possibility.
Nick, can you sit crisscross like I am, like facing in?
Take this if you can. Alright,
Sabi ni Sis
Here we go.
Sino nakalive? Wala. Si Rhea.
Sabi ko, hindi ko alam eh. Sis Jeneline, hello. O, hindi mo ko kaibigan. Sis Jeneline, sa GC. Ay, sa ano? Sabi nga, ikaw ba? Oo, ako din naman. Bakit?
let's see some in the water. The weight of the situation is really hit. I was already traumatized from almost losing one submarine in this pool.
Yeah, let's go.
I literally could not financially afford to lose
Para sa'yo,
another.
ha?
Dude, I'm so anxious right now. I actually got off here.
Anong kaya mo pag-ito? Ay, grabe. Ay, ganda naman ni Sis Kulit. Yun ah. Ang ganda niya naman.
Galing nag-edit na
Ay,
dito si Rhea.
ganda no? Tapos tinitry ko yung kay Mami ha. Wow. Diba? Ay, ang ganda naman yan.
Overnight,
Well,
people all across the globe.
Try ko yan sa wild screen.
sociologists call it.
Nasend ko na kay ano, nasend ko na. Sikulit kay ano, kay Naini. Nasend ko na.
Highly
Nasend ko na kay kay Naini.
Switch the voiceover Isaac from What you plan
Wow!
to watch is the
Sinasend mo ko
post-grad
ah.
recording footage of what's
Pero
down
mag-isa
in
si
the
Sikulit.
And as you'll soon see, things get pretty heavy. To help you guys follow along, my friend Eden spent 2 days creating a 3D model of the cave.
Message niya ako,
And
sabi
my
niya,
goal here
ito
is
na
to
lang.
help you find a rope that would be able to lead me to the mine. The visibility in the cave already wasn't great, but compared to the old submarine, this sub's visibility was way better. Because of that, I was soon able to find the first rope. Alright, so there's the first rope. I think I got one there. Okay. Now, a lot of you guys said in the last video that this rope was actually a diving rope, that I believe was left behind by divers a long time ago. Regardless of where the rope came from, if I could go in between someone's legs,
Oo,
I could go
live
under
ako
this
talaga,
rope.
promise.
It's like pulling forwards there, which is scary.
Pero,
Oh,
ba't
that's-
naman si Sikulit mo pa?
Look at the reptile.
Promise.
You got stuff on your phone? Why is it pulling?
Yun rin, gusto
I
mo
was
ba?
feeling a small current, so I went to turn around and smashed into a wall. This was back in 2 weeks because it killed my visibility and the sediment could jam my thrusters.
Gagawa ka niya thumbnail,
The
sis.
sun was different in the pool. This time I got lucky.
Hi, sis
All the
Ami.
thrusters still worked. As I went deeper into the cave,
Oh
I knew
my
I had to be more careful.
goodness.
Good evening. Thank you, sis.
This opens up a really deep cavern. This is wild. Inside, right?
Ayan na nga. Ayan na.
Wow.
Loading niya.
This is way crazier than I thought.
Siguro hindi pa pa yan.
Oh my gosh.
Pero,
Ladies and gentlemen, we had finally found the rope. And at this point, all I had to do was follow it far enough into this cave until hopefully it would lead me to the flooded mine. That's a good view of the road. And honestly, I hadn't been this stressed out since being in the final circle back in Ocean 4. I was trying to be slow and calculated with my movements, but I realized the longer I waited, the more dust and clusters were stuck inside the cave. So I was forced to keep moving.
ano yung ginawa ko?
This is so interesting.
Gusto mo ba?
It is so
Ayun.
This
Natural
building
ko
is
yun kay
getting
Ate
really bad.
Janet mo
The
guys
last
ha.
second, I decided I wanted to go back and reposition before I followed the rope any further. Okay, I'm not taking it back up. I just feel
Tapos,
if my tether got
Later
snapped,
on-
I'd be screwed. So
later
this
on,
time, my approach would have to
sinasama
be
ko
perfect.
na ang mga
Whoa.
picture ha.
I think it's pretty good though. Okay.
Sinasama ko sa mga picture guys ha.
My
Sama ko
approach
na
this
lang
time
lahat.
was way
Sama
better.
ko na lang
Kept the
lahat ng
submarine
ano.
steady and slowly moved
Pati
towards the
lahat
rope.
kay picture ni ate, picture ni Sis Mar.
But the current in the
Everyone
cave
ko,
had other
everyone.
plans.
Sama ko nga sa mga sa iset ko na sa GC ha. Wait po.
My God. If I thought I'd been lucky before, then holy crap. The submarine had been completely wrapped around the rope, and I had barely managed to escape. I was completely lost. Worst of all, my confidence had been shattered. I started ramming into walls unintentionally, and I was getting sloppy. I knew I had to make it back to the surface to reset, so I found my tether and started following it back.
Yes, you're welcome. You're welcome po.
But when I was about 30 feet away from the surface, the submarine stopped moving.
Sinisend ko sa GC. Sinisend ko na sa GC. Kasama ba senior year? Kasama! Pwede ate o, pwede. Pwede, kasama. Kasama po ate o.
The tether was stuck.
Kasama po ang
The way I
senior.
saw it, I really only had one
Hindi
option.
ako makalimutan.
It was time to put all my clock racks
Si
to
ate
use.
ko.
It was to revive. It was stuck
And
right
later
here.
on, i-ano ko na.
Anong gagawin doon? Ano yun? Thumbnail mo, halimbawa pag nag-live ka.
Yan sa inyo.
Gagamitin mo siya pag nag-live ka.
Yung chat naman.
Marunong ka ba maglagay naman ng thumbnail pag magla-live ka? Tuturuan kita.
Let's see. Si Ate O muna.
Para may thumbnail yung mga live mo.
Or try ko na ha. Try ko muna Ate O ha.
That was awesome.
Holy clutch. I've somehow got someone back.
Kasama po mga ano ha. Kasama po mga iwan. Ito, ang pinakamagaling ko ang edit naman kasi first time ko yung tinutry. Pag wala ako ano, pag wala ako ginawa, kasi wala ako nang tulog guys, grabe.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Oh, this is so heavy.
Yan, kita kay Ate O naman ha. Guys, kita ka kay Ate O. Sigurado.
There's a rope caught in the
Uy, Ate O!
a little black rope.
It turned out earlier when I grabbed the glow stick with the robotic arm, there was a black rope attached to it.
Let's get this thing in the boat so I can look at it. Do not put it on.
Ano ba yung services ulit?
Trying to light it. Here, take it.
Ayos ha.
I should have gone for it. With the black screen removed, I quickly recalibrated the submarine,
Ganda.
and then we were back in business.
Let's see. Sino
Sino
naman ulit yung ginawa ko?
This is the final
Si
of the off.
Ate
I want to see how far this
kay
boat
Ate
goes.
O.
You just gotta go. Just follow.
Lagyan ko na,
Honestly,
lagyan ko na
rope
ulit.
stops. If you find where the rope stops and then go really fast, then you could obviously the deepest exploration. That's all this is.
I'm feeling more confident navigating it. I think the plan,
You've seen it.
Gusto.
right,
Gusto ko talaga.
you go straight down under that rope, there's so many things to get snagged on.
Wow, with flowers naman.
The more stops it starts with a rope.
Yeah, you're right. I gotta commit to it.
Matik sila si Smack. Pero ano ko naman?
I don't think you're coming the third time.
Sigurado.
Hi, Sis Lucy Warren. Good evening. Good morning to you.
Guys, ito ha, kine-edit ko nito. Wala makabayad ha.
There's a million points to
Hindi mo makabayad nito guys.
There's a period I
So,
can't use it.
free lang talaga kasi ano naman ako eh.
I feel like
Nung sa
I need
mga
to
love
one more shot.
cars, kine-edit
I
ko
really just
yun.
gotta commit.
And
I'm gonna go hard.
kung sa banner,
I'm gonna be a winner.
check mo ang sa messenger, meron sila ng pic kay Ate Janet, si Miss Janet, ang pinapin niya. Oh! Sana oh? Maganda no? Maganda. Maganda no? Ganda ba? Okay, ito yung ano ko naman eh. 6 to, ano naman, 6 to 9 talaga. Yan, ganda sa pin. Oh, ganda no? Ganda sa pin. Okay, tingnan lang natin. Pero tini-edit ko naman kay Lapbox. And, paki-use po sa banner ng ano ko ha, ng midget ko naman. Yan, pinakamaganda naman ang banner guys. Kasi ano naman ito eh. MM. Hindi ko makita patingin.
100 feet underwater, I hit the ground.
Kita mo yung sa ano, sa Disney. Para ano naman eh.
Eventually, I made it to the narrow part of the cave. That's when I spotted a
Kasi,
rope descending down into the abyss.
Oh wow,
goes straight down. Visibility this deep into the cave was already bad. I decided to
magaling ako
follow
mag,
the
ano ha,
At this point, I was driving completely blind.
masa lahat mo. Masa lahat. Masa mo lahat. Wow, ito kay Ate Odin. Tapos, kay
Okay, we're going
Ate
straight.
Janet. Kasi makulife no, makulife ko si Ate Janet guys. Sigurado naman.
This is insane. Looks like a different planet. Yeah, it literally does. It looks like a NASA rover that's on like Mars.
Driving the submarine this deep
Pero basta
underwater
hanapin
felt
pala
like I was on another planet. The only thing I had to do was follow this road and see where it would take me. Okay, I'm going for it. Then you slack.
And
You have got to be kidding. Oh wait. Down. That's the further I went into this cave, the bigger it seemed to get.
so,
What?
isend ko na lahat sa PC. Then, pagsalay mo, use mo naman ha.
This is the danger zone. Like, we will not be able to pull out.
Bayad ba ito rin ha? Bayad ba ano? Hindi. Gusto ko sana, yung free ko naman. Lahat ang tine-edit ko is free naman. Walang makabayad. Wala makabayad naman dyan.
This rope is not really going to go. If I lose this,
Let's kay ano dyan, final matches. Tapos share ko na sa GC ha. Titingnan ko na sa GC.
so I've been following this thing for a while. We're getting the forest. This is not part of this. Yeah, it's my part of the video we've done. I've been following this rope for about 10 minutes. There was still no end in sight.
I think it's because we're in like a tunnel or passage where I think it's going to be something.
Yeah, I mean, this rope's hard or something.
See, awesome.
Yeah. Dude, this thing is so hard.
Mabili ko naman yung tayo ato sa akin.
I think I should head back. At this point, I was starting to believe that this rope might actually go on forever. Then out of the haze, something emerged. Oh, yeah, there's another rope. Very,
And guys, open ni Nainay, nagulat ni Nainay naman bakit. Kasi hindi niya alam guys.
It's just so hard. It's like a whole different thing when you're not in a pool. Yeah, I want to pick that thing up. Whatever this object was, the fact that it is this deep inside of this pool is interesting. And I wanted a closer look. I think you cleaned it off, dude. You brushed it off. The brush with some dust off of it, getting a closer look, it seems to be some sort of piercing. It's gonna go a lot of things.
Baka isa-isa mo na.
Oh my god, we're on.
Nandun siya.
Okay, I'm gonna get back up. Got it. Quiet, oh my god. I had somehow picked up the pan. There was still a long way to go. So this way through.
Ayun. Be ready guys, be ready
I have a
po.
long way to go to get back. I gotta actually walk in this.
Can you imagine having a message or something? Yep, this is probably nice.
Yeah.
Try mo na, kay ate. Sasapalit ko alam niya green. Try mo nga. Try mo nga. Try mo nga pagsabi naman. Kasi green no, ako ko rin ni aking skin.
Dude, what is it? Oh.
Make it
Alright, I'm on clear.
color.
Is it plus, right?
Okay.
Pull off.
Grabe ang pagsang green.
You were the first to ever.
Limit. Limit na ba?
There's no split. There's no split.
Ito ang rasa. Thomas naman to. Tapusan ako lahat. Titingnan mo nga sa GC.
Okay, you got some cool. It's something. The following days, me and Eden discussed how a beer can ended up that deep underground and came to two conclusions. Either the can was pulled down by some sort of current, or there's another entrance to the cave. Either way, if this video gets 100,000 likes, I will go back.
Grabe. Kay ate is madali.
This time, I
Okay,
will
and
be
now let us proceed. Iskulit bukas ha. Limit yung, over-limit yung ano. Over-limit yung, ano ko na. Ganda din sa break.
Tulog na kayo, tulog na. 11 na po. Ano yan? Mahihirapan kapag sa school mo talaga, Aaron. Mahihirapan.
Smart, check mo sa GC. Send ko one by one.
6, 3.
Iskulit, check mo sa GC.
4, 1. Oh, 1.
Ay, same din pala.
Where do?
Tapos, ay, ping kay ate Ona. Ano pala?
Oh,
Tapos last one.
I'm about to spend a day in the life of these elementary kids who hike 5 hours a day over these mountains just to get to school. I look straight down. It goes down 50 feet. They have to avoid lethal cobras and poisonous insects that could be hiding under their
Lahat
feet.
mga kaibigan ko ha.
Yeah. Their journey includes a 90-degree vertical climb, and when it's pouring rain, one slip could be
Lahat
death.
mga kaibigan.
Today, I'm joining these kids on their hike to school to see just how challenging it is. This is just actually crazy, guys. And they have no idea that our YouTube community raised money for a gift that's about to change their lives
Hindi ko
forever.
na po sa lalim.
Caillou here is getting ready to his bedroom. He's got his clothes on and he's having his bag tight. It's a cool backpack. You like cars?
Yes.
A lot of books, man. Your bag looks like it's a little bit heavy.
Yes, it's heavy.
Is it difficult to carry the bags when you walk?
No.
Ready to go?
Difficult.
So Kyrie is about to go to school and he's going to walk all the way up the mountain.
I'm scared because it's a dangerous to climb that. Sometimes it's very so he
dalawang camel
will
daw
not
ron.
go into school.
Cellphone ka na naman. Ano na batang to ah?
All of a sudden, as we're sitting
Camel.
there, a massive rainstorm has come. We're just kind of stuck inside the house right now.
Anong tigil sa
After
cellphone
a few
eh?
minutes, the rain finally
Kael,
lets up, and we
hello
start
po.
the journey before Kylie is late for school. On the way, we stop to pick up his best friend, Jenny, and then the real hike begins.
Thank you.
All right, we've just started the hike here. We have Kyrie and Januel.
Okay,
And
anong
this
loe?
is the longest way to school.
Pole?
Start walking
Pole?
around
Anong
this
loe?
big hill before cutting in this mountain. and
Ano kayo
taking a
wala nang
shortcut
tigil
all the
kasi
way up to
cellphone
school.
eh?
Ate O, ate O.
How high is it?
Ito din kasi iskulit.
I don't know.
And
Last
even if it's
one.
Ah,
raining,
hello, hello. Hello, hey.
Slippery.
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 Pag sa gabi,
We picked up another school kid, Jan. Hi, Jan. How are you? What grade are you in? Grade 9.
kantahan ko si
Are you
ate
taking
ko.
this walk all the time? Every day? Wow.
We're walking now. We're happy because we're saying funny stories and what we do every day.
Is this your friend here?
Hi, Kael. Di ba
How are you?
gaming,
Nice to meet you.
ano to?
You're walking to school? Oh, I'm gonna join you guys today. Is that what we're planning?
Long time no see. No talk. No chat. Ano ba?
Seriously?
Yeah.
We're coming over there?
Yeah.
It's literally like 90 degrees. Some of the high school kids have joined for the walk. The hike is now getting steeper, so we're walking like this up the mountain. I noticed some kids are using tricycle. How come you don't use a tricycle?
Because we
Para sa bunso.
afford it.
Ngayon pa lang ako
So this
nagbabalik.
is the way up. We are now detouring from the road and we're starting to walk up the mountain. The real effective is now. I noticed there's a really nice view here when you walk up.
We stop there, we go tired and we watch the view.
It's honestly an amazing view. It's just open ocean. We've only walked about 20 meters up the hill and I'm already dripping in sweat. It's super, super humid outside. Alright, we got all the kids here, ranging from elementary to high school. We're just staring at the mammoth mountain right in front of us. It's literally like a 90-degree angle. Oh crap. It's so intimidating. I'm taking a lot of breaks, but you could do not take breaks when you walk. Are we there yet? It's a long hike, man. Kid just said he walks 5 hours every day just to get to school. All these kids are your friends at school. As you keep going deeper and deeper into the jungle, it gets more and more beautiful. It's just like complete, untouched, pristine nature in the Philippines. What kind of animals do you have here? Wow, that is so cool. That is. Yeah. Aren't you scared that if you're walking, it's gonna hit you in the face? Never happened before? What if it bites you? There's literally ants everywhere. You don't have ant bites on your feet? Never? You're strong, man. For just a little kid, you have a lot of strength. It's incredible how these kids have such a way with nature. They're just calling for the birds. I'm surrounded in a jungle. There's huge bamboo trees, massive coconut trees even taller. The rain has been coming and going. Like I'm on a full-on nature walk right now. And these kids out here going to school every day. All you guys watching this, especially if you're in the U.S., you most likely took a school bus to school. And I just imagine for do this walk. Which tests every single part of your physical capabilities. Walk, balance. This do not die. Look at this. Look how slippery this is. Oh my god, it's so slippery.
They say have a cola.
Yeah, we do. Do you want a school bus?
One cola, then we not have some money to buy it.
Thanks to you guys in this community, we raised $7,500. I'm gonna surprise all the kids in this school with a vehicle transportation to take them to and from school so they don't have to do this type of thing. I've never done anything like this before. Philanthropy has been something I want to do more and more of. So I've opened up a nonprofit and I'm going to do more of these things to help communities that I'm visiting. So we really appreciate your donations and stay safe.
Kaya ka doon?
No, matulog ka na.
I'm having a talk with these kids just going, no stopping. So it's a little bit slippery because it's been off and on raining, so the whole terrain is like muddy.
Because the rain is slowing down.
I know they suggest to cut the trees here, but the trees are okay. They put the trees around the arm because they say that they get better grip onto their or soil type trees. Does your feet have pain?
Pulburon na rin.
No pain?
Pulburon.
This is south.
So where do you try to put the foot? Like what's the not painful? There. There is no chance I could do this barefoot. I'm already feeling tired, but we aren't even halfway there yet. And everyone warned us at this next part of the hike. There's not this 90-degree cliff which they call bang bang, and we are going to use our hands and knees and toes and every limb to climb. How old were you when you started climbing? Grade 2? And now you're grade 5. So 3 years ago. What's the most difficult thing about the walk?
Long step and
Have you ever made a wrong step?
I'm not sure. I hold
Ito ang
a bind.
You hold the branch. How many times did that happen for you? And did you get injured? Did you get hurt? Oh, hello. How are you? Is there like a villager, like just helping you with bags over here? Like doing this, like every single day. Absolutely insane.
Yeah, malika. Anong number to? Ano number yan?
I'm opting to keep my shoes on because I never like to hang with these boys. It's really key that you hold on to these tree branches because they're really strong. Otherwise, you're slipping that straight back and crack right open and down. It's like a serious risk. It's super slippery on your feet. You really gotta hold the tree branches and hope that you don't fall backwards.
Ito.
Crazy they do this
Yan ang titignan mo ha. Yan sasabihin ni teacher, get your notebook number 3. Oh.
hug your feet on your best friend because they keep you serious. This is just actually crazy, guys. This is good news. I feel so bad for them. It's just they can't afford money for a tricycle or a tuk-tuk or a school bus. There actually aren't any school buses.
Okay, I will see you
High five.
soon.
They just successfully hiked. That was so steep. Alright,
See you
kids are
and-
strong. This trip is insane. We're all the way up the mountain.
See you
I have my
and-
backpack with a bunch
see
of
you
gear
guys.
with my new Asus computers, which is the sponsor of this video. When you're traveling like me and filming on GoPro, the
you
hardest part
guys.
isn't just capturing the moment. It's actually turning it into a story when you're on the move. That's why I think the Asus Pro Arch GoPro Edition
Thank you
has
so
a
much,
cool
everyone.
event called the
Maraming salamat.
Asus
Wala
Pro
po
Arch
ako.
Minor, which is great for creators who want to tell better stories. What I
Wala
love
po
about this is that
ako.
the video is
Silent
instantly on
live
my GoPro
today.
and start
So,
editing it right
maraming
away.
salamat,
And the
everyone,
difference in editing and your
mga
phone is huge.
kaibigan,
No
mga
more waiting
katulong,
for
mga
10 files on
kasama,
five devices. It
mga
just syncs
sa
everything
lahat po
automatically
ang
and
mga
keeps me in the
mga
flow. I can
kaibigan,
work with multiple
loyalist,
clips,
mga
layer things
kaibigan,
properly, add real transitions, and actually bring the story to
loyalist
life
ang
the
mga
way that I
kaibigan,
envision. It
loyalist ang
also
mga
uses
love.
AI to organize my footage with Asus Stories. This
Loyalist
saves
ang
me
mga
so much
love
time when I'm
and
dealing with
support.
hours of
This
footage.
is
I
your
also
way
spend less
out
time
from
stressing about files
post
and
mo.
more time focusing on the story, which
And
is really what matters. Look, anyone can capture
graduates and
moments, but being able to turn it into
everyone, have
something
a
meaningful
nice
is what
day.
takes it to the next level. If you want to grab yours, you can scan this QR code or click the link in the description down below. Let's continue this happy night.
Bye
Are we near
guys.
or far?
Far.
We're still far. Are you okay? Are you tired? All good? We've overcome the cliff, and now we're in this incredible oasis of coconut trees. Are you okay up there? You just grabbed one down and almost hit Kyrie's head. But he's right there. We're at
Advance your
mid-hike.
gifted
Yeah,
gift
that
with
looks
the gold
amazing. Can I
standard
try
for
it?
advanced language.
This one? This is my favorite coconut. The one of my favorite things that just better. This is unbelievably tasty. It's sweet, hydration. This house
Dalawa?
on fire here. Then I just left.
Wala na. May yellow na. Ha?
We're almost there, we're saying. On the home stretch here. This is the point of the walk now where you keep going and you're wondering if we're gonna end soon. We're
Wala
going
na,
for
I
a
saw
long
them, may
time and
yellow
it's
na.
still not there yet. Every time we turn a corner, there's another long ways to go. Almost there? Okay, let's keep going. It's been about 2 hours and we are finally approaching the school. I'm dripping in sweat. The kids are just cruising. And, we have finally arrived to the school. It was a long walk, guys. Incredible how they literally do this walk every single morning and afternoon. It's not all the kids that have had to walk this far. A lot of the kids live nearby the school or they have enough money to afford transportation.
Kasi hira mo sa lamin ni Kuya.
Okay, let's go to your room. Let's go check it out.
Walang gagamitin si Kuya mong salamin sa school. May hirapan talaga yan. Nagalit sa'yo si Papa, sinira mo sa lamig ko.
Ayaw ko mamalaw.
Is it enough for you? There is Papa Tom Energy Plus.
Ayaw ko mamalaw.
Ikaw nga may kasalanan eh.
Ayaw ko mamalaw.
40 vitamins and minerals. Power for your day. Papa Tom, nothing beats science.
Mamalaw. Ayaw ko mamalaw.
Makulag. O di hindi ka tatabi sa akin pag kulag. 4, 5,
Sorry.
6, 7,
How many of these kids still have to
I'm
walk to school?
done.
That's not that long.
Yan naman bukas.
So, got it. Can you tell me a little bit about the students here?
Sobrang lalaki pa.
The local school in all elementary school, they are very good because when you see what
Talaga
they
lalaki na.
they are good, and also the parents
Wala,
they
hindi
are
ganun
very
kahaba.
good to the pupils about their studying. Even if the bad rivers, they actually seem to go to school. It's not easy to them. But the weather is good, they're very early going to school.
And if the weather is bad and they show up late, do you start school on time or do you wait for them to come?
We start our classes, but we give them a review.
Oy, matulog ka na.
It's really cold.
Tapos, bukas i-miss call mo ako sis ha. I-miss call mo ako. Sis, may assignment ka sa akin. I-miss call mo ako bukas ha. Matulog ka na. Iwanan mo na ako. Charge mo yung cellphone mo.
I didn't see him playing baseball. This is the first ever.
Anong kulay? Ang alin? Ay, grabe ka naman alas 4.
That was like a home run. How long has this school been here?
Tulog pa si nanay noon alas 4. Ay, busy pa si nanay ng alas 4. Mga alas 6, alas 5
Did you
siguro.
also walk up the mountain?
Ano alas 4?
How many kids are in school now?
Naglalaro pa ako. Saan?
108 pupils.
Kay Sir Sandy?
Before there was more kids or
Yes, yes. There were more kids before.
how many of those kids have to walk up the mountain?
Only few
Ano yung
kids.
anong kulay?
Only a few know. The problem is if you prohibit them, but then
Saka maglalaro kay Sir Sandy?
so then it becomes expensive.
That is our Sunday.
The school is so remote that
Huwag
it
mo akong
becomes
kalimutang i-miss call ha.
and that's why more kids
Hindi ko
are
isisend yung
going to
panalo mo dito.
What can solve the problem for more kids to come here? Is it simply transportation? Is that the main thing?
Yes. If we have transportation, so we can get Macallan.
So what happens in the rainy season when the kids
Ang laki ng naiano mo sis, naipon mo promise. Kasama na yung mga winidraw mo. Ang laki ng naipon mo. Ang galing. Sipag mo kasi.
That's really difficult. And in the last 77 years, there was never
Sulit ang pagod.
never improvement. And the problem is the budget.
Yes, of course. That's it.
Paldo. Ah, secret. Di ko sasabihin.
The roof's falling apart. They did a paint job.
Kasi baka ipahulan ni nanay bukas.
It's just super sad that the school has been running for 77 years, but it's still in really poor shape. Okay, how's your day today?
Pambili bigas. Ah,
You learn something in school?
bigas. Tapos may ulam na. Pwede, may ulam na.
Education? What's your favorite thing about
Ah,
school?
dalawang lucky me beef.
Which job do you like? What do you want to do when you grow up? You want to be in the army? And why do you want to be in the army?
Tulog ka na.
Tomorrow morning, I'm going to bring you a big surprise.
Gagawa pa ako eh. Isang sako?
And you're going to be very happy. So, please, see you tomorrow
Malaki,
morning.
maliit?
I'm excited to see you guys then.
Anong sako? Malaki o maliit?
After the school day ends, it's time to hike back down the mountain. And it's a lot more dangerous because we're going down the steep part of the mountain now, and the rocks are really slippery to the ground. So I'm
Bata kasi
actually
ang
gonna
estudyante
really
kailangan
focus here. I'm actually a little bit scared.
at may pangalan.
There are poisonous cobras out here. And the kids all say we encountered them. Like, that's all I'm thinking about
Wow!
right now. I'm stepping on a freaking snake.
Ang magawa!
Balik ka sa loob.
Okay.
Oh.
Like this. Like this.
Ah,
Ganyan.
Really tough.
katsa,
It's ruthless.
katsa. Ah! Mate mo mo!
Walking over a pile of coconut.
Oo, kasi talaga yan.
Katsa
Pero
pa.
hindi yan
Really
ganyan.
dangerous?
Okay lang, katsa.
Oo nga, kasi
It's really,
25 kilograms lang, 2 months na namin. Oh,
No.
talaga, samantalang kami 15 days lang namin yung mag-iina.
It's a good session of water juicing your eye and then go blind.
Malakas kami sa kaning
After 2
mag-iina.
long hours, we finally made it back to the village. And I said goodbye to Caillou so I could secretly shop for a school bus. And we managed to find this white one for $10,000, and we're going to buy it right now and bring the van to the school and surprise everybody. It's going to be an amazing moment. This is actually, like, pretty nice. Like, it's comfortable. Yeah, it's a used van, but, like, it's really good. And we got AC vents in here.
Aaron, magsara ka na sabi ng pinto. Kanina ko pa sinasabi. JM na naman ang pagtitripan.
But never do something like this. Shoot the conference and do more good. Completely agree. Thank you guys so much. This means a
Miguel ka
lot.
na sa cellphone ha. 11 na Aaron ha. Ano ba naman?
I'm extremely grateful to foster a community that has come together to sponsor a bus for these students.
Ikaw din, matulog ka na. 11 na.
That we're actually making a real difference in their lives. Right now, I'm feeling nervous. and
Ilang mo
excited
muna
to
yung
pull up to the
screen
school.
door.
No, my heart's beating really fast. They're here.
I-double check mo. Itulak mo kung... Ay, naku, walang... Kasama na namin dyan yung alaga naming aso. Talaga, ang tipid nyo naman sa bigas. Ang tipid nyo sa kanin. Ay, bastos.
As soon as the small train saw the signboard ahead, it immediately honked its horn, alerting the driver. The driver immediately understood and began increasing fuel. As a result, the small engine's power doubled. It easily crossed the steep hill, but suddenly a tortoise appeared in its path. However, the small engine applied the brakes in time, narrowly avoiding the tortoise. When they finally reached the station, the owner announced that he had purchased the most magnificent and powerful engine ever built. Consequently, the decision was made to fire the small engine. At that very moment, the poor little engine's fortunes changed. He had to wander from door to door, looking for a job. After much effort, he finally found work in a coal mine, but his new owner treated him harshly. Meanwhile, the big engine, with its lightning speed, won over the people. He quickly achieved great success in a very short time. Although he was so arrogant and ruthless that he would ignore even
Ako
turtles
pala,
in his way, he soon
natapos
built a
kagabi
large
sa
city,
live
bringing
niya
people
din.
on countless journeys. Even the media gave
Nina,
him the title of the
Sir
most
Sandy?
famous engine, while the small engine stood dejectedly at a distance,
Galing mo
watching
naman.
all
Oo,
this. But one
sayang
day, as the
yun.
big engine
Ano
was
yun mo
crossing
yun
the
kung
bridge,
ayaw
its
ni
speed
nanay.
suddenly caused it to collapse.
Ikaw
Now the big
na,
engine was
sayang
stuck in the
yun,
middle of
sis.
the bridge. There was a deep ravine below. The slightest mistake could have sent the train and all the passengers plummet. At this crucial moment, the small engine couldn't resist, so he disregarded the ruthless supervisor and rushed straight to their rescue. Although his master wounded him with a gun, he still didn't stop. He arrived just in time and pulled the rear of the train to safety. But the big engine, carrying his old companion, was still stuck. The small train tried to rescue them too, but the big engine was too heavy. Then the driver began increasing the fuel supply of the small engine. At the last moment, when the bridge was on the verge of collapse, the small engine used all its strength to pull it up, saving everyone safely. But the small train itself was in terrible condition, leaving his friend devastated. But then everyone decided to repair it, and after a few months, the small train was back
Natulog
in
na
working.
JM.
And not only that, it even regained its former type. As soon as the small train saw the signboard ahead,
A fisherman accidentally caught a sea turtle while going out to sea for fishing. At this time, its condition was already very critical. There was no time to think much, and the fisherman
Saan ka
could only send
naglalaro?
the sea turtle to the hospital for treatment. Its weight reached
Kasama
an
na din
astonishing
ba dyan yung
375
top round
pounds.
ko?
Just lifting it into the hospital required the strength of 7 people. Its shell
Ilagay ko na
covered with
din.
barnacles, and marine leeches
Yung
were
pag
also
sinabi ni nanay,
parasitic in its
oh,
body. which made its health condition deteriorate even
Kay,
further.
kay Jenna
Although
Lynn
animals do
yan.
not
Oh,
directly harm
nilalagay
sea
ko.
turtles, they are usually a sign of illness or weakness. What was even more heartbreaking was that
Gusto mo
one of its
makita?
front
Pakita
flippers
ko
was
sa'yo. Wait lang.
severely injured, very likely due to an attack by a predator or being entangled by a fishing net. The rescue team removed the barnacles one by one very carefully, and then injected it with antibiotics and conducted special treatment to help its flipper recover. As its body condition improved gradually, the sea turtle was finally ready to return to the ocean, and people named it Bubba to commemorate this rescue. During the process of its release, thousands of people gathered together to express their support and prayers. However, the story did not end here. A year later,
Kaya lang,
when the
dalawang
staff were
page ng
diving for
pangalan mo
patrol,
dito.
they discovered a weird scene by accident. A large sea turtle stayed on the original place quietly, and its mysterious movements looked like holding some kind of ritual. But when getting close, they
Ayan,
found it
yung
was
pangalan
Bubba.
mo.
Its head and arms were bound together tightly
Ayan,
by a fishing
punong-puno.
line, and
Dalawang
only this
bar.
caused it to
Tapos
strike
meron
this
ka pa
weird
dito.
pose. The staff took out the tools
Dalawang
carried on
bar
the lines
din.
right away. However, because Bubba was frightened, plus worrying about causing secondary injury to it, the man spent a lot of effort, and only then did he cut the fishing line open finally.
Top
After being
round.
rescued, Bubba brought a jellyfish in its mouth, looking like thanking
Naku,
the
bayaran
life-saving
mo ako ha.
firefighters.
Downtime
Then it
ka.
ate food in huge mouthfuls, and it must be starved thoroughly indeed. Eventually,
Ayun,
Bubba swam toward the deep
1, 2.
ocean slowly. If you also hope
Ilan
Bubba
bang
will
top
be safe
crown mo?
forever, leave a like.
Tapos meron pa dito.
A fisherman accidentally caught a sea turtle while going out to sea for fishing. At this time, its condition was already very critical.
Oh,
There was no
dami.
time to think much, and the fisherman could only...
Mayaman ka na, sis. Ala. Mga call gamit ni JM dapat may pangalan. Burara to sa school eh. Dito may top round na. Wala. Sorry, walang ganyan dito. Walang pondo ang may-ari. Tulog ka na kulit para magising ka din bukas. Good luck sa gising natin dalawa. Gamit anak ko, wala pang kabuhay-buhay. Alam ko dalawa yung last. Dalawa yung last na, oh.
The frog defeated the penguin with one finger and became the
Na ano
new
mo?
leader of the zoo. Just yesterday, the animal
Basta pag sinabi naman ni nanay, oh,
placing it in the
kay
reptile
Jenna
house.
Lynn
So they
yan,
entered the
nilalagay ko
reptile
naman.
house. At that moment,
100.
they discovered this terrifying creature was just a frog. The
100.
penguins thought the
Dami
frog
mo
was
kayang
killed and
100
wanted
dun.
to rescue it. So they stacked themselves one by one and opened the lock. But the rescued frog was not only ungrateful, it also started commanding the other animals. The penguins were very angry, but the frog poisoned one with just one finger. It turned out this was a highly venomous poison dart frog. Then the frog began to dominate the zoo, bullying the other animals. It not only snatched the monkey's bananas, but also forced the elephant to perform acrobatics for it, just as the frog was gradually becoming complacent. A penguin covered it with a glass bottle and pressed it down with a 3-ton stone. The penguin was about to declare itself the new leader, but what it didn't know was that the frog could also dig holes. The frog reclaimed its position once again. The monkey tried to bring the frog
May
to its
5K
territory,
ba
but the
ako?
arrogant frog refused and even attacked the monkey. At the critical moment, a penguin knocked it down with a bamboo pole.
Wala
successfully
naman,
saving
hindi
it.
naman abot
Then
sa
the penguin
5K.
continued attacking the frog, but the frog dodged nimbly. It climbed
Dami
up
mo
the
nang
tree
na-withdraw
pole
eh.
and the penguin was poisoned too. To deal with this evil poison dart frog, the smallest penguin created a
Ang laki na nang
steel-protected
na-withdraw
suit.
mo
When the
eh.
frog tried to touch it, it discovered the attack was completely ineffective against
Grabe
the
ka naman
penguin,
sa
so it tried
5K.
to escape, but the penguin wouldn't let it go. Finally, the frog explained to the penguin that all it wanted was a... The frog defeated the penguin with one finger and became the new leader of the zoo. Just yesterday, the animals saw humans carefully carrying an unknown creature, placing it in the reptile house. So they entered the reptile house. At that moment, they discovered this terrifying creature was just a frog. The penguins thought the frog was pitiful and wanted to rescue it.
Kulang isa. Where is the other? One. Kulang isa. Wala pa nga ang isa. Live na live ako, mangutang dead na. 5K ba ako yan? Ha? Nasaan ang utang? Saan? Hindi ko nakita. Busy nga ni. Oh, busy pa nga ni. Hindi ko nabasa nga ni. Tulog na kayong dalawa nga ni. At nang ako'y magising niyo bukas.
Ay, Kuya Barbie.
Ay,
Ma, ako pala to. Squad mo na kutiin.
hindi nga ba?
Squad mo to sa kutiin. Kuya Barbie.
Yan naman yung aso pusa. Bata, tulog na. Ayaw pa nga magsitulog eh. Natulog na sabi kayong dalawa ha. Yan, i-off na yung TV.
Right behind me is a giant maze. Now, there's supposed to be noobs that are running around here to make me money. Let me show you what a pro status one looks like. Are they actually moving? Are they alive? All right, let's lock in. Let's get our first noob here from the noob shop. Hello, sire. Let's first get 2 colorful noobs here. Okay, perfect. Then what we can do is find them, spawn them in. Hello, sirs. Equip your noob. What? I'm so confused. What? Go again. And then we will equip the best. Okay, there they are. Look at them go. Aw. Okay, it's a whole pack of noobs. They make $40. Okay, wait, that one's making $40, that one's making $50. Not too bad. I'm seeing the money come in. I don't know, are they supposed to like go to the end?
Bata, tulog
And then once
na.
they make it to the
Bata.
end, they generate money. Okay, so I gotta see if I can make them smarter. So if I walk over here and increase the tile value,
Yeah,
what
mislip
does that
na.
do exactly? Do they make
Aaron,
more,
isa
or
ka
do
pa.
they make
Bitawan
more
mo na
per
yung
step
cellphone.
on each
Isa.
tile? Okay, that makes sense. There's also competition value, noob speed. I think
Amin na
noob
yun,
speed
amin na,
is really
11 na
nice. And we can make the path perfect. Alright, I see.
Sa.
Let's try to become the richest player of all
Dalawa.
time. Maybe also get all these noobs. What are these guys down here? I think the smart thing is just get a bunch of colorful noobs. We just need as
Bilang
many
kayo
as we
dyan.
can to get
Dalawa.
there. So we'll just spam all these packs. Got some good ones in
Isa,
here.
hindi ako
Thank you very much.
nakikipagbiroan,
Welcome to the
Aaron, ha?
squad. Bunch of garbage green ones. The purple probably seems pretty good. I don't actually know which one's the best. Probably go with it. Ooh! Now we're
Ano?
gonna play this mutation. Keep on spawning these squires in. Here's the last pack. Now there should be a bunch more in here. There's not though.
11 na sabi ha, 11 na.
I think because I'm only allowed a
Bukas di
certain
kita
amount of
pagagamitin.
nukes. Let's see,
Tingnan.
nuke capacity, we can increase that for a lot. We got 9 now. And now just equip the best. Okay, there's way
Mga
more.
lakal ka bukas para may
Dude,
pampagawa
how
ka
are they
ng
so
salamin
dumb, though?
mo.
Like, why would you go all the way over here? I guess they can't really see over that.
Ano, Aaron? Yan. Yan, patay na yung TV. I-off na yung TV niya yan. Nalaw yung TV. I-off mo na yung TV. Higa na dyan, higa na. Steve na, taalis tayo po.
Na. Talaga eh.
Naka 1 hour na ba ako? Ay, naka 1 hour na pala ako. Sleep na, sleep na. Huwag mo munang ilagay yung tilipa yan tapos gawin. Sabi, huwag muna tilipa yan tapos gawin. Higa na doon, higa na doon.
Baba tayo.
Sa baba na tayo.
Taas tayo.
Higa na muna doon, no? Sa tabi ni Kuya. Yan. Ilan na yan? Bilangin mo. Dapat 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7.
Yes. Oh, may mga pangalan yan, ha? Anong basa dyan? Anong basa dyan? Anong is? Anong basa dyan?
Tala.
Ha?
Tala.
Oh, tala. JM tala. Mag-crown muna ako sa... Sige na! Go na kayo, go na. Nag-end na rin ako. Naka 1 hour na pala.
Ay na, ano niluto mo?
Isa.
Hindi maputok yan.
Kaya nga, huwag mo pakialam. Puputok yan.
Diba?
Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes.
Sana yun.
Yes.
Nasaan na ba yung bag mo? Hindi ka pala na yung baba. Nailagay mo yung bag.
Ma, ako ganito. Ma, ako ganito.
1 plus 2.
Ato, ma.
Sige nga, 1 plus 2.
4.
Ay, mali na agad.
Ayaw ko yan.
Ano ayaw ka?
5.
1. I-ano mo sa kamay mo? 1
1
plus 2.
2.
Oh, ilan?
5. 6, 7, 5.
Ano 5? 1 plus 2. Aaron, ano? Hindi ka titigil talaga? Oh, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Dami kong tinan. Sige na, go ka na dun.
Sabi! Sige.
Ito.
No, di ang girl.
Ako daw yung wow.
Huwag mo yung ano, ibibenta ko pa yan. Tulog na Aaron, matulog na Aaron ha. Kanina ka pa ha. Puno mo talaga. Let's sleep na. Tulog na tayo. Tulog na tayo. Tayo may party pa bukas. Party.
Party na, party.
Hindi talaga kayo dalawa titigil. Ano Aaron, hindi ka rin talaga titigil? Hmm? Lalabada pa ako bukas ng uniform. Hindi ako excited ngayong ano pasok Hindi ako excited kaya ngayon lang ako nag-ano.
Mapapabot tayo ba?
Mababa.
Kuya ba, TV?
Tara na, makita tayo.
Kuya TV, mama! Kuya TV!
Hayaan mo na. Dadalhin natin yan. Uy, tulog na.
Eh.
Tago ko lang to.
Ay.
Ito ko, ay lang. Bibilang pa pala ako ng benta ko. Yung bintana ron, no? Bukas pa. Live na live ka pa rito. Aaron. Bilang tayo ng benta for today's video. Kuya. Kaya talaga titigil mo? Mga tulog na sabi na ng kulit ng dalawang to.
Ma, Kuya Pipik tayo. Yung tapastos Kuya Pipik. Ma. Oh.
3, 4, 5. Oh, nakapagban na yung wait lang.
Hello, hello.
3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Ma.
12, 13.
Mama, ano to? Ito, ma? Ma, it's a fly?
Pero ilagay mo yan dyan. Ibebenta yan ni mama. May bukas pa po yan. Matulog ka na. Naalala ko nakaraang taon, katulong ako sa kantin sa school ng tita ko. Tuwing hapon, nagbibilang ng barya, nagsawa ako. O, ganyan nga ginagawa ko tuwing hapon, ay tuwing gabi. Kulit naman kasi nitong mga mangyan ito. Bibilang ako tuwing gabi. Iniipon ko dito yung aking benta. Diba, meron ulit ako. Pampamili sa isang araw.
Kokawa. Ma, kokawa ball?
Matulog na sabi Jay eh. Ano ba, Aaron? Ano pang gusto mo? Bigla na mo sabi, o nakabukas ito. Ako, picture sa SKP. Kakaut na benta ko sa SKP ah. Ayan. Nalili ko kasi ako sa piso at yun. Pero hindi ka talaga titigil. Libo ba naman, Diyos ko. Oo. Maghihilera ka noon bago ka makauwi. Kantin ba naman? Oh, ano ka ka? Tapos ikaw pa magbibit-bit. Gusto yata makatikim ng panganay ko bago matulog ah. Pagbigyan ko kaya. Para magtanda. Gusto makatikim eh. Hindi na nadadala sa tingin lang eh. Sa Sampulan ko na naman kaya to. Ay, nabisi siguro si Ate Janet. Hindi nakapag-live. Maramdaman kasi ang may sako. Ang may sako. Sis Gigi, go na. Matulog ka na. Matulog na din ako. Ayusin pa lang ito para bukas. I-display na lang ako. Tulog na sis. Para magising mo ako bukas. Oh, ay. Gawa ko na yung order ni Ate Janet na pulburon. Ay, buray. Ay, buray. Pag hinayaan lumipas, nagkanapangat ng bukas. Okay, let's leave. Tara na, be. Baliw ka na. Let's go na. Let's sleep na, guys. Good night. Tara, be. Ano ba na sa bibig mo? Ay, dito. Ay, dito na lang.